Join me as we continue our studies of the Japanese philosophy, art, and design of Wabi Sabi, finding beauty in things that are imperfect, incomplete, and impermanent. This week, we're continuing our studies of an aspect of Wabi Sabi in Japan that is known as kintsugi, which is a beautiful art form of taking things, pottery, but things that are broken, and mending them with gold. I just wanted to read you a very simple definition because I feel like it says it all. The philosophy is to treat repair and breakage as part of history and not to disguise it. So it's very different from taking super glue, that's an invisible glue, and try to bring a pot or something that's broken back together and repair it in a way that we try to have it look like its original form. Whereas this art form is a beautiful way of acknowledging what is broken, what is fractured, what is chipped, and enhancing its strength, of course, with the gold, but also to show beauty in what is damaged and imperfect. I feel like as you watch conference, there's so much for us to use as a metaphor for how we choose to live our lives, to not see our brokenness as something we have to fix and repair in a way that we look flawless and perfect, and try to put ourselves back to our original form, but in our brokenness, that we can repair it with the gold of love. We can repair it in a way that we move into an essence of ourself that is beauty. It's beautiful, it's beauty in what we have gone through, where we have been damaged or we have suffered, has changed us and made us who we are. So join me for conference and our discussions and invitations around how we can use this beautiful art form to see how we choose to live our lives and mend our brokenness with gold.